everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. Today what we are doing is I'm opening some mail. I'm very excited about it. Brittany from Everyday Art by Brittany Guttner had an auction not long ago, and I won the bid for these pieces of art that she did that are absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to show you. I covered up her address, but I haven't done even a little bit of opening it, so let's get to it. I can't wait to see it in person. So excited, really I am. Good wrapper. Definitely a good wrapper. Good artist. She definitely wraps packages very well. Alright, so I'm trying. Come on now. Well, I saved a little bit of the bag to wrap something in next time. Alright, here we go. Oh, and it's in another box. Alright, let me move that out of the way. Throw that away. And let's show you this. This is her business card. And also when you purchase something from her, she sends you a thank you for your loyalty. Scratch below and win. And you can win all different kinds of, whether it's 10% off, 50% off. I don't know what all she does because I've only had one so far, but it was a good one. And I used it some of it to buy this. So I'm so excited. Thank you, Brittany. Let's get to it. And I'm going through this box now. Alright, so here they are. Can't wait to see them. Okay, so I am so anxious. So anxious to get to them. Let me in there. Oh God, it's beautiful. Oh my Lord, I love it, I love it, and she signed it, her signature, and look at that beautiful, it's a resin beach scene. Isn't that just gorgeous? I love it. It's so pretty. What an absolutely excellent job. Wow, that's fantastic. Oh my gosh. Brittany. I love it so much. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God. Look at that. It's beautiful. If you can see, I'm trying to hold it so you can see it. So pretty. Let's see if I can show you both at once. I'm not sure. Trying. There we go. I think you can see it. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my God, I'm so excited. They're so very, very beautiful, Brittany. I absolutely adore them. Oh my gosh, what a wonderful job you did too. This is like one of your first resining pieces. You did wonderful. Thank you so much, and thank everybody for joining me. And I'm going to put Brittany's link in my or in my description box below. Please go by and check out her channel. She does fantastic art, and she has a variety of things. She does paint pouring, she does resin work, she does embellishing, She's got a wide variety on her channel. So you should definitely check it out. And thank you again, Brittany, and thank you to all my subscribers and to all my viewers. Stay tuned, and tomorrow, I believe it's tomorrow, we're going to have the other drawing for the next contest. So God bless, be safe, and be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye now.